In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wise. Wise is a fantastic tool for international transfers, offering a seamless experience with competitive rates. Let's dive right into how you can get it on your device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is your main hub for downloading apps, and you'll find countless tools here to make your life easier. Once you've got the Play Store open, you're ready for the next step. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you can type in the name of the app you're looking for. The search bar is your quickest route to finding any app, saving you the hassle of scrolling through endless lists. Type in Wise and then hit the search icon or button. This action will bring up a list of apps related to your search term. It's important to spell it correctly to ensure you find the right app quickly. From the search results, look for Wise Tokens Namen International Transfers. This is the official app you'll want to download. Choosing the correct app ensures that you're getting the legitimate version, which is crucial for your financial transactions. Next, tap Install. This will start the download and installation process on your device. You might see a few permissions or requests pop up, and these are necessary for the app to function correctly. Confirm if you're comfortable with them. While the download is in progress, you can sit back and relax. It's good to remember that the download speed will depend on your internet connection. A stable connection ensures a smooth download process without interruptions. Once the download has completed, tap Open. This will launch the Wise app for the first time on your device. Opening the app confirms that the installation was successful and you're now ready to start using Wise. At this point, you'll need to sign in or register your account. If you're new to Wise, go ahead and create a new account. This involves entering some basic information, but don't worry, it's a straightforward process. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. Signing in lets you access all the features of the app, including sending and receiving cash internationally. With everything set up, you're ready to explore the features Wise offers. This includes sending money, checking exchange rates, and managing your transfers. Remember, the security of your transactions is a top priority, and Wise uses robust measures to protect your information. There you have it. The Wise app is now on your device, and you're all set to start using it. If you ever need to re-download or update the app, simply revisit the Play Store and follow these steps again. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring with Wise.